How to delete your MEXC account. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open MEXC wallet on your device. Then go ahead and tap on the profile icon on the top left-hand corner of the screen. Once you do that, you can find security. Go ahead and tap on security settings and scroll all the way down until you find manage account. Go ahead and tap on manage account, and afterwards you can find delete account. So go ahead and tap on delete account. You can select the reason you want to delete your account. Go ahead and tap on proceed afterwards. What you need to do is wait for a while and read all of the tips over here. After the seconds are over, just go ahead and tap on the box and tap on delete account. What you need to do now is get a code from your email address. After you tap on get code, and you can go to the Google Authenticator app and get the code from there as well. After you paste both of these codes, just go ahead and tap on submit. A form will be created and it will be submitted, thus your account will be deleted. So guys, this is how easy it is to delete your MEXC account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.